what is one of your favorite whiskeys that's kind of like a bottom of the shelf normal whiskey that's just, like something you grew up with that your dad drank or something like that, that is not known for being ultra classy, but it's something you just love?
Evan Williams, Bottled and Bond. If there's a bottle that's out there that it's 4 years old, Bottled and Bond, the price is affordable. If I'm cooking with something, I'm going to use the Evan Williams, but the Bottled and Bond, I think I'll be sipping that one.
Okay, so why? Did you say why? How did you stumble across that one?
Price point, it's just got a good flavor, it's just easy, it's available, it's accessible.
All right, Whiskey Shaman?
All right, I agree with him. The Evan Williams Bottled and Bond is great, but also there's another one out there that is just my go-to. It's great in cocktails. It's great neat. It's great on an ice ball. Like put it on an ice ball, go sit on the porch. It's Wild Turkey 101.
No, that's the one.
There you go.
That's the one. You found me right on one. I was all excited to tell you were wrong, and then now I have to say that you were 100% correct.
It's just, and I mean, it's affordable and it's consistent. I know there's people now that say it's changed a little bit, but it's consistent for what it is, and you know what you're going to get when you open the bottle.
Absolutely. Yeah, so my dad, growing up, he would have Wild Turkey 101, usually on a Coke. You get a big mug and put a shot of 101 and a big mug of Coke. And so I'd come across and still a sip of that. And of course, it was super gross, but somehow it imprinted on me. Absolutely. And so now, Wild Turkey is still one of my favorites, especially the ones like the rare breed, like
Absolutely.
just the one step up. Mm-hmm. Still tastes like 101, except it's got just a little bit more depth to it. Mm. So, Whiskey Shaman, you are correct, and Richard, you're wrong.
Thank you.
All right, hugs and kisses. Bye.